Hi, crafting friends. Welcome to this tour of Dollar Tree in Northern Maryland. My name is Lisa, and if you're new, a special welcome. I want to show you some of the highlights from 3 different Dollar Trees. When I entered this store, the summer merchandise quickly blended right in to the fall decor, and some of these items were favorites from last year. Others were brand new. They had a lot of wall hanging plaques and decor, some of which people make over. The florals and foliage was very vibrantly colored in the fall harvest colors. You can see the golden, orange, mini pumpkins, acorns, berries, and other kinds of florals. Here's some pretty berries and feathery stems. Here on the end, you can see some that are specifically designed for the Halloween decorating, and you can see these have some little eyes attached. They had a lot of nice storage containers in pretty pastels. The back to school section was quite abundant, but the items could easily be used for office or any kind of home storage. I purchased one of these, which is called a document box, and I'm using it in my craft room to hold different items that I've cut out in preparation to do a beautiful decoupage that I'll show to you in an upcoming video. And you can see how I'm using it to hold all my little cutouts. There were some fun novelty items in the back to school section. I thought these little eraser animals atop the pencils were really fun. There was a wide variety of planners and calendars too, many of which had some nice inspirational messages. There was also a wide variety of pumpkins, all different styles. Some had candles inside. They also had the ceramic ones. These ceramics are very nice. They came in the creamy white and the traditional orange color and lend themselves to place settings where you can write your own message across the front and slide the napkin through the opening. These caddies, also for $1.25, are really nice, came in a variety of colors, and with their 6 openings could hold a lot of supplies. I always check out the wall adhesives and stickers section. They really do have some beautiful, vibrant patterns, some of the same lovely peonies and flowers and hydrangeas. This one was new with the vibrant blues and the gold gilding. The fabric rolls were also quite abundant. They had a lot of different colors, introducing some of the fall tones. A really fun way to use these is to pick up a pattern that you like and go over to the glass section in Dollar Tree and pick up one of the $1.25 glass plates, as well as one of their little bottles of Mod Podge. And you can decorate a plate quite beautifully for $2.50 plus the Mod Podge. This is one that I did using the Dollar Tree glass plate, as well as a fabric with this peacock design. This ribbon also was in varied fall patterns and colors. This one was especially charming, and I picked up an assortment because they all seem to complement one another. These beautiful heart-shaped boxes that come in a variety of pastel colors are back, and they're so beautifully made and lend themselves to being decorated. I think this is one of the best finds in the store right now. Last year, I decorated them to look like pieces of cake using frosting made of spackle. And from Bargain Bethany, I learned how to use these rollers to create ring boxes. You simply cut the foam roller after removing the plastic piece and then fit them into the heart-shaped boxes, and they create beautiful little ring boxes. The cylindrical glass vases are another great find. In the plus section, I saw that they had larger ones for $5, and I'm very carefully pulling one out so you can see it's a good size and a nice weight. They also had some in the $3 section, as well as many that were still $1.25. Here's some of the ones for $3, and they're a little bit larger, as you can see. A little bit more detail on them as well. But the $1.25 that you see here are still there, and to me, they are the best buy. I have decorated them in so many different ways for all seasons, and they always make a beautiful impression on the table. Now I want to share with you my sweet niece's delight as she opened several gifts that I handcrafted for her, two of which used the items that I've just shown you. This one was a basket that I decorated with a napkin and Mod Podge. Now she's going to open the cylindrical vase that I decorated, as well as the heart-shaped box.
Very protected. Wow, that has cowbell boots on it.
Yeah.
It's bedazzled. It's sparkly. It's so pretty.
I'm glad you like it.
A nice bouquet of flowers would go perfect in this. And then the last
You could also
thing,
use it for drinking water.
I think this is for jewelry or
It is, sweetheart. It's a lot of fun to take these items from Dollar Tree and personalize them in special ways. Perfect. And see, that makes it into a ring holder.
I can put my Aggie ring in here.
Oh, perfect. Here you see in another store, they had them on this rounder alongside some very pretty candles that were in this pastel milk colored glass. And I thought they were lovely as well. Now we're going to go back to the seasonal pumpkins. These are carvable and they come in white, orange, and black. Now they can be used certainly very traditionally, carved or decorated. There's so much inspiration in God's natural beauty, the peaches, the pumpkins, all the beautiful autumnal colors that we're beginning to see in the later season of summer. But they can also be used to create snowmen. I made this using all Dollar Tree items. And if you'd like to see the easy way in which I made this, please take a look at my channel. Now here's some other jack-o'-lanterns. This is a very soft plush bag for $3. And of course it could be used as a trick-or-treat bag, but because it's open right at the top, you could also fill it with polyfill and make a very plush pillow for the fall season. Here's a glimpse at the wide variety of pumpkins that Dollar Tree has. Some have a very natural appearance, others are made of fabric. Here you see a selection that have a matte finish, others have a glossy glaze. Here's some in a jack-o'-lantern style. The 2025 calendars also are available, and many of them had some beautiful prints that can be used for DIYs. Now we'll just take a look down the plus aisle. Here they had some Halloween costumes for $5 a piece. I don't know the quality, but they looked cute from the outside. And I'll just give you a glimpse here of a lot of the plus items, ranging from the cutting board, the nice tiered tray, faux mercury pumpkins, trays, little shelf sitters, and lots of different kinds of fall decor. Here you see they had some little lanterns on the top shelf, as well as this pumpkin garland. Here you see some larger pumpkins like the ones they have in the dollar section, just a larger format. These lanterns look very pretty for $5. For $1.25, in the children's aisle, I also saw some really nice books, learning books, and adult books as well. And of course, the toys are always abundant. There is so much play and learning value available here. If you look down at the flashcards, all of the different crayons, markers, and so many different small toys. These cellophane wrapped acorns in the different colors are very pretty, alongside more pumpkins. And here are some learning books. These scholastic activity books had different themes. Some were numbers and counting, others alphabet. Also, I think a good value are the Crayola branded products. They have all different kinds of crayons, the bold and bright. They have washable markers, metallic crayons. You can see flashcards, quite a wide variety. And these color glues are very nice. These I have seen in other stores for considerably more than $1.25 a piece. Here you can see they have three colors, the green, the blue, and the yellow. I'll take you with me down these next couple aisles that have a lot of clips and embellishments and items you can use if you were crafting. Here you can see these are acorn shapes in different colors. I guess you could use those as filler. They also have the Indian corn, the little sunflowers. I've used those in projects before. They have little mini hay bales and wood cutouts, little paint sets. You can see just all of the different laser cut wood shape blanks that could be painted or decorated. Here are more clips, other kinds of novelty items. Here's some of the cutout words, blessed and family. I'll just give you a quick overview of this. These little mini hay bales are nice. I think they'd be nice for Christmas if you're making nativity scenes. Here's some pre-made bows. And then this fruit I thought was very nicely designed. They seem very high quality. Here we are into the small $1.25 velvet pumpkins. And they really have beautiful jewel tones in the silvery gray, the beautiful shade of blue, pink, green. Here's one of the blues. Here's some more dollar plus. Now, this is the first time I've seen these baskets. I've decorated many baskets on my channel, including the miniature size of these that are $1.25. And I think you could use the same techniques for these larger baskets. Here you can see I decorated these baskets using the Dollar Tree baby blanket. I purchased a $1.25 baby blanket from Dollar Tree and cut out all the little animal shapes. Here I used a napkin to decorate this miniature basket. Now we're moving over into some interesting vase shapes as well as a photo frame that I'm seeing for the first time. It's a pretty curvature that holds a 4x6 picture. Here's a glimpse at all of the different stickers and embellishments that they have that really work well for a variety of craft projects. I'd love to hear in the comments below how you enjoy using some of these different products. So for those of you who are preparing for craft shows in the fall, some of the items are already available, and those gingerbread wooden cutouts are so handy. I did a Christmas in July project using those. Again, I invite you to take a look at my channel if you'd like to see how to use 2 of those to create an illuminated gingerbread house. It was a lot of fun to do. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't already. Lots more fun is planned, and I hope you'll join us. Take care, and God bless.